Today we're going to be testing the GoPro stabilization on a redux of the Lord Avenue climb in Simpson. Now I think I did this climb last year, and if I can find the video on YouTube, I'll link it to the top of the screen up there. But this is just a redux of a ride I already did, and I'm pretty sure I posted last year. I think I'm ready for this. It's only been like a week and a half since I've been training, and normally I don't like to do hills until I feel pretty confident that they're not going to be that much of a strain. But Lord Avenue is not really that, it's not that challenging of a climb. It's a 650 meters long, and it's only a 30-meter increase in height. So it shouldn't be that bad. Like I said, the main reason I'm doing it is to test the stabilization on this camera. And here we go. We have 99 meters on the dial right now. We'll be able to see how far up it is when we get to the top. This is the 1% part of the climb. But as you can probably see on the image, it ramps up right here. Okay, we've used up all our gears. We're at 9%. I think this is the steepest part of the climb though. Well, 9.5%. We're holding right around 4% here. And one tiny little ramp left. That's the Lord Avenue climb, part 2. Yeah, I just looked at the video from the climb, and I must say that the images from that are much better than the ones I got last year on the Sony Action Cam. Many of you that watch my videos know I used to use one of those little white cameras, but it broke last year when it fell out of my pocket on the trail, and I had to get a new one. So this is a GoPro, and I'm much happier with the stabilization on the GoPro. We have 130 meters on the dial, so we started at 99. So that means that the Lord Avenue climb is a 31 meter ascent, and it's 650 meters long. So it's not really a challenging climb, but it's early in the season for me, so it was a good thing to do today. Right now, just gonna head home. We are just heading home now. It's just a great day to be on the bike. Garmin says it's 22. It's sunny. Really, that's all I need to know. Well, I hope you enjoyed another fabulous bike ride. That one surprised me because I find that I'm in a little bit better cycling condition than I thought I would be. My butt has gotten over the original shock of not being on the bike for 7 months, and now I can comfortably sit on the bike and pedal like a madman for 1 to 2 hours without really worrying about how I'm going to feel when I get off. But that was a good ride. Of course, we had good weather, and that was probably most of the reason. Hey folks, remember, if you subscribe to this channel, all of your wildest dreams will come true. I'll show myself out.